The unexpected things are happening right before our very eyes. One thing that you must understand is that once you're spiritually rooted, deeply rooted, I can assure you that 70% success is guaranteed on your behalf. Once you're rooted spiritually, deeply rooted, if you are strong spiritually, success is 70% granted unto you. So once you are interested in the things of the spirit, if you want to discover more, if you want to know more, don't hesitate to follow this particular channel as well. I am OPATAFUOR. You can as well pick the email that is showing on your screen, or probably pick up the number and link up with me. And I believe that we can learn from each other, we can be friends, and we can do more in helping to advance the progress of our world. Bless you and bless you so much.